Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kofifa Amelia Jara. I'm from class CBI 2. I'm in here. I wanted to explain about my material of grammar, the article. It's about article. Before that, I wanted to explain about article. Uh, Usually, when learning English, you often encounter articles in English sentence. Articles are divided into two categories, definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles are the definite articles, the, and are used only in certain forms of words. Indefinite articles, on the other hand, use the articles a and an, which mean a below is an explanation of both articles in English. Articles, descriptions. Articles are words used before nouns to indicate whether the noun is general or specific. In English, you can find three. The article is a, and the. Okay, next about article a. Article a, the function used for singular nouns, countable nouns, and general, not specific. The rules used before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a book, a student, a car, a teacher. The sentence, I have a pen. She is a teacher. And in the article an, same. The description same with article a, but they are different little because article an using for vowel sounds. Article an, the function same as a, but used for vowel sounds. The rules use before nouns that begin with a vowel sounds. I mean its vowel sounds is a, e, I, o, u. Pay attention to the sounds, not the letter. Example, an apple, an H, an umbrella, and hour begins with a vowels, but in the article a, not begins with a vowels. That's consonant, you can use article a, but in the article an you should use with vowel sounds. For example, in article an apple, an H, an umbrella, and hour begins with a vowels. H is included with a vowels article an because the pronunciation H is same with pronunciation sound vowels. Same with a, but if the letter H because same pronunciation, they are same pronunciation. For example, the sentence in article an, he eats an apple every day. She waited for an hour. But H is included in the article an. You can use article an in the grammar. Okay, next, I wanted to explain about the article from me using article a and an. It's important to remember that articles a and an that articles a and an can only be followed by singular nouns. You can remember it. You can only be followed by singular nouns and cannot be followed directly by uncountable nouns. We know that sugar, water, and salt are uncountable nouns, so the sentence above are incorrect if we place the article before them. The correct sentence is, I'm looking for sugar. She has water. My brothers need salt. From my example, I say, I'm looking for sugar. It's correct. You don't shoot with using article a because the nouns it's uncountable nouns. As mentioned above, the articles a and an are also called indefinite articles. Indefinite means something uncertain. In other words, it's still general and not specific. Example, I have a book at home. If you say a book, it means the person you are talking to doesn't know what book you have. As there are certainly many types of books at home, this means the meaning is still general and doesn't specify which book you are referring to. Okay, I want to explain about differences article a and article an. The art difference is a and an. An is used before what I say the last. An is used before singular noun begin with vowel sounds is a, I, o, u. In Indonesian a, e, i, o, u. But in the article a, article a is used before singular noun that begin with a letter or consonant sounds. But be careful with singular nouns. What I say, letter. But be careful with singular nouns. Be careful with letter H. Wait, like this. Before nouns with the letters H and U. And Howard begins with a vowels because the pronunciation H is some as like the pronunciation with vowel consonant with the consonants. Explanation: a is used before words that begin with a consonant sound such as B, C, D, G, P, and etc. Some as like I say last B, letter B, C, D, G, P, and etc. Example, a book, a chair, a table, and an etc. But using the article an before words that begin with vowel sounds. Such as a, e, I, o, u, or u. For example, hour. But an hour, which means an hour, or an harnessman, which means an harnessment. Besides H, U is also important to note. Even though the first letter of the word is U, it does not always use the article an. If the U in the word is not a vowel but consonant, the article is a. For example, but not such H, such a letter H. U include you can use article an before nouns initial U. It include the vowel consonants. For example, a university instead of a university because the U in the word sounds like ju, unlike umbrella, like ju, which sounds like umbrella. We must use an, which becomes an umbrella. Okay, next I wanted to explain about article the. Article the function In my PPT, article data function used for objects that are of use, previously mentioned, specific, unique. The used for noun objects. I see a cat. The cat is cute. 2. One of a kind objects. The sun, the moon. 3. Specific place. The library, the classroom. Superlative. The best. Superlative. The best, the tallest. Example, the book. I known book. Known what the object, the teacher, a particular teacher. The sentence, the book on the table is mine. She is the smartest student. The article that in English also called the definite article. Definite means certain or clear. This article is used for something special or specific. Example, I can say for example article there it's open the door, cut the cake, I love the girl. The article there indicates that the noun is specific and both the speaker and the listener already know which noun is being referred to. Saying close the door means both the speaker and the listener already know which door to close. Saying cut the cake means both the speaker and the listener already know which cake the cut. Note the article they can also be placed before plural nouns. For example, the students, the books, and the cars. Somewhat like sentence, the book on the table is mine. She is the smartest student. Okay, next I want about zero articles. Zero articles. The zero articles is generally used when something cannot be distinguished as definite or indefinite. In other words, the zero articles is the omission of the articles before the noun. The zero articles is used before plural countable nouns. For example, I can say, for example, from my example, I like monkeys. And 2, the zero article is used before singular uncountable nouns. For example, I like juice. And 3, the last, the zero article is used before proper nouns. For example, my name is Tom. I live in Indonesia. In my PPT, I make about the zero article is don't use articles for plural nouns. Example, I like cats. You don't use with plural nouns. And uncountable nouns and names of people and names of countries. The example, I like cats. For uncountable nouns, Andy, city, wait, I'm wrong in my PPT. Uncountable nouns is I like juice, names of people, Andy, city, and names of countries, Indonesian, Japan. And the last brief summary. Brief summary means about a and the. A for consonant sound, N for vowel sounds, and then the specific object or clear. I think it's enough from me. I hope my lecturer understand what I explain about articles and then. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.